Hey, what's going on everyone? This might be the very important video that you're probably gonna be watching this year in terms of if you're wanting to be earning income with your YouTube automation channel. I personally get a lot of questions asked. People actually reach out to me via Facebook and also leaving comments on my YouTube channel, and they're pretty much the main issues that these people are actually having, and probably you might be having the same issue, is you don't know what niches to really get into, right? And even you might get into that niche, maybe later on down the track you might probably just leave that niche and jump into something else, and then jump into something else, and then jump into something else, and you not actually just sticking it through, right? And I personally had this same issue, especially when I got started in the YouTube automation space back in 2016, 2017, right? That's when I started dabbling with YouTube automation, and I actually bought a lot of different programs in terms of learning how to do YouTube automation business model, right? And I bought many programs, many courses, and pretty much when I jump into the course, a program, the mentor or the instructor, they give their own niche to actually get into, right? And I just used to get into that niche, and I first of all didn't even like that niche. Like, for example, very broad niche, which is make money online niche. A lot of people actually doing that niche right now, but at that time when I actually started, there were not that many channels, especially the faceless channel. There were not that many channels doing make money online channels, right? And when I got into it, I did it for like a couple of months, and then I quit that niche. Then another niche that I also started in the same time frame was top 5, top 10 videos, right? And I did that niche for maybe a couple of months, 2-3 months. It wasn't getting much traction, and then I actually got into celebrity niche, and like, I personally don't know anything about celebrities, right? I got into that niche, and I thought like I'll crush it, because I saw like a lot of new channels were starting in the celebrity space, and pretty much the news was happening, and all these celebrities were like celebrity channels were actually blowing up, right? And I thought, hey, this is a golden time, let's jump into celebrity niche. And I just left that top 5 channel aside, and I started a brand new channel. So now I've actually wasted 2, 4, 6, 7, 8 months, and this is my third niche that I'm gonna be jumping into. I was really excited. I thought I'm just gonna crush it, because this is a new niche, everyone is just jumping into this is the right time, let's make a move, right? So I actually jump into this niche, and pretty much I failed as well. Again I failed, and I thought to myself, like, I must be doing something wrong here, okay? And probably spend already close to about 15 or 17,000 dollars in the time frame of about 8 or 9 months, between different programs, paying the video editors, script writers, voiceover, thumbnail designers, and pretty much I was ready to quit. I just thought to myself, hey, I'm ready to quit this YouTube automation thing, just a big scam. Like, I need to quit this, okay? Until I met my one-on-one mentor, who actually just guided me and told me, Sanjeev, your problem isn't the niche itself. Your problem is problem with your focus. You're not laser focused into doing one thing until you die. Make it happen. So that's when I started into motivation niche, and I personally really love motivational style of videos. So I started creating motivational videos, and in the beginning, yes, it was really tough, because motivation is, as you know, it's a really saturated niche. A lot of channels were actually doing it, bigger channels were actually doing it, and I jumped into that niche, and I thought to myself, this is it. I'm gonna be making this niche blow up like big time. Even if it takes me like long time, I'm gonna be sticking it through. And within the first 1.5 months, I started making about $250 to $300 in the motivation niche. The good part about motivation niche it pays you really well, so you don't need that much views on motivational videos. So I was making like $250 $350 a day, and I was so excited. And the one thing that has allowed me to blow up my channels time and time again, and time and time again, is because I stick it through. Like, I don't jump into niches thinking I'm gonna be blowing up like within the first upload. Yes, it has happened to me, but the niche which I do right now is the ones that I really enjoy, and I can stick it through. You know, even if the channel doesn't blow up within first month, second month, third, fourth month, I know the channel will actually blow up. So what I'm trying to put into your mind is, you might be not blowing up with YouTube is because of shiny object niche syndrome. Shiny object niche syndrome, you know. So this is a terminology that I made, niche syndrome, because first of all, beginners don't know what niche to actually get into, right? And they jump into a niche, and then very quickly they go into different niche, and then different niche, and then different niche, and pretty much they just keep searching time and time again. They don't know like what is the problem. They think like YouTube is just like some sort of miracle algorithm that like no one is actually telling them the secret. The secret is you are not laser focused, and the other big thing is you might not have a good or the right mentor. Okay, I got different programs, different mentors, until I found this one mentor who just got into a call with me one-on-one. Okay, and he told me, I told him like, hey, I've been filing for about 8 or 9 months, like I'm ready to quit, but this is the last chance I'm actually giving myself, and you need to tell me like upfront, like what is the problem. So he saw my channels. He said, hey Sanjeev, you've been getting views, 1,000 views, 2,000 views, and he pretty much, I showed him all the 3 channels, right? And he told me, Sanjeev, the niche isn't the problem is shiny object syndrome. Okay, that was the only problem, and that's when I actually changed my mindset and I just stick it through the niche. That's what actually gave me the breakthrough. Okay, and this is what actually sets aside the failures from the successful people. Okay? The failures, they jump from one thing to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next, and their mind is all over the place. But what the successful people do, they stick it through because they understand the psychology, how their mind works. Yes, the mind will actually is all over the place, but we have to keep our mind focused into one thing, because the main thing of our brain is to keep us alive. That's the only thing that it is actually made to do, right? But if we know how to control our mind and get it laser focused into doing one certain thing, one business model, if one business model isn't working, you shouldn't be jumping into different business model, because the grass is not greener on the other side. So this might be the reason that you probably not succeeding. And beginning in 2025, we actually just started. It is January. I have started a brand new channel, guys, and I'll be actually giving a breakdown on this channel maybe in a week or two. And we're just growing this channel. It is monetized. It already started making money, so I'm really excited about it. But again, I don't just jump into a niche. I see the long term of that niche. That's when I go into that niche, and I'm just patient, you know. So even if I don't make like, you know, crazy amount of money in the first or second month, I know if I stick it through and I keep improving, eventually I will succeed in that niche, you know. So that's the thing that I wanted to bring to you, that don't get distracted, don't get too frustrated if you're not seeing the results. Stay focused, and also find the right mentor who you know that can actually help you to succeed. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev. Also, if you have any question, you can put in the comment section below. Also, you can reach out to me on Facebook. I'll leave a link in the description, and also in the comment section you can we can actually jump on a call. I can see how your channel is actually going. If you have any question, let me know. And I'm really thankful that you watching this video, and it means a lot to me. So again, thank you so much. God bless you. Bye for now.